Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Features. Today, we're going to be looking at the Advanced Auto Serialization Tool. In this demonstration, we're going to use information from an Excel spreadsheet to generate personalized business cards. Here, we have a template for a business card, and we want to fill in certain information like email addresses, phone numbers, names, addresses, and also a QR code. So let's take a little look at the data that we're going to be using. So this is an example of a spreadsheet that you might receive from a client to make business cards for their customers. In this example, we want a LinkedIn web address in a QR code, and then we want some other basic information like country, street, email, phone, occupation, and name, but we don't want to enter this information manually every time. So let's see how the Auto Serialization tool can help us import this information automatically. So in order for me to import my text in the correct order for the correct placeholder text, I have to start from the left column all the way to the right column in that order. So let's begin with our LinkedIn website QR code. Now the placeholder text doesn't really matter as such, as long as it's formatted the way I would like it to be. So we can use the example of LinkedIn. If I go to text, QR code, text to QR code, I can rearrange the size here, and I can make sure that it's selected as a web URL, so when it's scanned by an application, it will be used correctly. Now, if I select and align my QR code, it's ready. Now the second column is for country, so it's important that I use my formatting correctly for this, as it will be used for every single country column. So here we can enter our text size, as well as color and font, and then align it the way we would like it to be, like so. Now we will quickly fill in the rest of the examples and then proceed with our guide. Okay, so when we have our formatting done correctly for each of our fields, we can then come back to our Excel spreadsheet and go to File, Save As, Text Document, and then in Flexi we select our placeholder and go to Arrange, Auto Serialize. Make sure that all of our fields are selected. Select Browse to choose our data file. Select to ignore the first row in our file, because in our case it's placeholder 2. Go to the Next option. Here we can check that all of our fields are in the correct order, which they are, because we, again, went from left to right in order of the placeholders we made, and then we select Finish. As we can see, the information has been automatically filled for all of our business cards. Our formatting has been kept the same, and our QR code has also been applied. And if we select one, we can go text, QR code, QR to text, and we see it is indeed the LinkedIn for Lydia. Thank you for joining us for our 5-minute features. Please let us know in the comment section if there's a feature that you would like us to cover in this series.